ngathi Bishop nomama bengasekho omama bonke intombi insizwe egameni lenkosi amen uIsaya lo indodana kaAmos kodwa ngifuna ukuhlala ezwini mase ngibuyela phansi ngokuba imicabango yenu ayifani neyami uke washo njalo uNkulunkulu engathi uthuma uMose uthamba mfana ukulandela abantwana bakaIsrayeli kodwa imicabango yenu ayifani neyami uthi ngoba Nkosi uyazi ukuthi mina ngamalimi kodwa ngizabakhipha kanjani abantwana baseGibhithe kodwa Nkosi imicabango yami ayifani neyenu uthi hayi kanti ubalandela umuntu onamalimi uthi wena Nkosi kodwa imicabango yami ayifani neyenu njalo ngelinye ilanga lithi iBhayibheli wena usabantwana bakaIsrayeli yavuka izinto endleleni ngoba imicabango yenu ayifani neyami yavuka izinto endleleni ngoba imicabango yenu ayifani neyami bayoma abantwana bakaIsrayeli bathi bekungcono ngisho eGibhithe ngoba inkinga besithola ulutho ngoba inkinga besiwathola amanzi esiwadingayo kodwa imicabango engiyiphuzayo ayifani uNkulunkulu uyaphendula uthi Mose musukhala uthi turn around my boy and tell me what did he say Mose yaphendula oh my Lord amen I see that small stone oh my Lord I see that small stone imicabango yami ayifani imicabango yami ayifani oh my boy take that stone and put that on twice and now I tell you follow you uthathe ilutho base ngoba imicabango yami ayifani beshaya ilitshe ayaphuma amanzi ayaphuza abantwana bakaIsrayeli ngoba imicabango yami ayifani